Hello everybody, Assistant Professor Scott Straub here, and in this short video I would like to talk about the bookstore on our campus at the College of Western Idaho. A lot of students know we have a bookstore, but not a lot of students know that you can get books online. So let me just quickly show you how to do that. If you head over to our main site, it's cwidaho.cc, or just do a Google search for College of Western Idaho. What you need to do, there's a couple different ways to find the bookstore. One way is to click on Current Students and Bookstore. And you can also click on quick links up top there. And who knows, in the future, they may change the look and feel of this website, but I'm sure it'll be in a similar place. So one thing you can do is you can find out all the physical bookstore hours, and you can get their phone number and everything like that. But one thing I would like to show you here is that you can purchase your textbooks online. If you click on Purchase Your Textbooks Online, and this will take a couple seconds here because I have multiple programs running. You can certainly buy all sorts of supplies and stuff like that. But on the left-hand side, it says textbooks, course materials, and you can search for your class there. The other point that I wanted to bring up is that in many courses, not all, but many courses, you can actually rent an electronic version of your text and other materials for, it's often 180 days. It may vary depending on what course, and it's usually a fraction of the price. And honestly, not a lot of people do this. But if you don't need a physical copy of your book, and a lot of times you don't, believe it or not, although if it makes you feel better and it works for you, of course, do it. But you can get an electronic version, and you can, what happens is a lot of times you put in a code, you buy it, and then they send it to your school email. You have to check with the bookstore to see how it's delivered to you. But often it can be delivered to you instantly versus going to the store, or they can actually ship it to your house if you're getting a physical book. But the electronic version, the rental version, if that particular text, that particular SKU number offers it, you can get it directly, immediately. So those are just a few little tips. Please check this out because this is a valuable resource for our students. Thanks a lot, everybody.